Oh, hey, there you are. I hope my audio's on. I have no idea if you can hear me or not. I'll have to check in a moment. It's Thursday. It's February 24th. It is National. Hold on, my computer is um, uploading the new date. While it does that, I'm out today and tomorrow, so I wanted to tell you guys on Thursday what I want you to do when you get in. Take 30, 40 minutes or so, first half of the class for you guys, and lunch, which is seventh block. You guys can take that first half. I want you to take the things that we talked about on Monday. Sorry for you guys, it'd be Tuesday. The stressors that we talked about. I just added on Classroom, I'll put up there the ones the textbook gave you. I want you to start at the top, at the first one under life situations, and I want you to go down and take that first situation, which is school. What can we do? In what ways can we do with that stressful situation to make it less stressful? So, to give you an example for schoolwork, take schoolwork and say, um, I can plan out my week better to where I'm not cramming for a test. I can manage my time better so that I'm not falling behind with my schoolwork. Those are things that make a stressful situation, like getting schoolwork done and having assignments, gets them done on a timely manner to where it's something you got to do, but it doesn't cause you stress. Okay. When you are done with that, turn that in on Classroom. Then your sub, which I believe his name is Mr. Walker, we'll call him Texas Ranger. Those of you that don't know Walker Texas Ranger, it's because you're young and you're a child, you're churlish. He's going to hand you one of these called a time management sheet. This is Sunday, starting this Sunday, February 27th. And it will run through next Saturday. And you will turn these in to me on Tuesday, March 1st. You'll bring these to me on Tuesday, March 1st. I want you to keep a log from Sunday through Saturday of everything you do. Okay. This is not something to where I'm trying to add stress or add work to you. It's not the goal here. This is simply to get you to look at what you're doing. And maybe for some of you, realize you're wasting a lot of time either sleeping way too late in the day, or too much time on social media, or playing video games, or watching Netflix, whatever. You're stressed out, but then you can look at this and say, well, actually, what I'm doing here is wasting a lot of time, and I can be more efficient with my time and be more productive with my time. This is not something I'm trying to add work to you. I'm trying to get you to benefit, to look at what you're doing on a week's basis and say, can I trim this? Can I add this? Can I figure out how to get things done? Okay. Um, if you go to a bank and you go to that bank and say, hey, I don't have an account with you, but I want $20 out of the ATM, they're not going to give it to you. So if you don't put anything into it, you can't get anything out of it. And that's the same as this assignment. You can bring this to me on Tuesday, March 1st, and fill it out that morning. And I have no way of proving that you took any time and effort, but you won't get anything out of it. If you just want a grade, you guys get a grade, move on with life. I can't stop you from doing that. If you want to be an adult, you want to be mature, and you want to try to look at what you're doing and try to figure out where you can make things better, you want to try to grow a little bit, then do this thing the right way. Okay. There is a back to it. The back has some very simple, straightforward questions. I should have done this first time. So here, I can get my face and the paper in there at the same time. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that. Fill out the back here as you're going through it. Question one, what's the total amount of time you spent watching TV each day? These are very simple questions. Keep my face on the screen. None of this is going to cause you any mental stress filling this out. Okay, very, very simple. When you get that, just put that away. Fill out Chapter 4, Section 2, Chapter 4, Section 3. Both of those are due on Friday. And I'm also giving you guys in 7th and 8th block an Ed puzzle to do today on Thursday. Yeah, it's busy work. I'm sorry, I don't like giving busy work, but I don't want you guys sitting here wasting your time. Your goals are due on Monday. The sub has been told if your phone is out, not if you're on your phone, if your phone is out, which you shouldn't have your phone on anyway, if it's out, he's writing your name down, and I'm going to write you up on Monday when I get back. There is no discussion. There is no, well, I was checking the time or I was doing this. Don't care. Put your phones up. Do what you got to do. If you're done with all your work, do something else, read a book, whatever. Get off your phones If he sees you on it, your name's on a piece of paper, you have lunch detention, end of discussion. Okay? But you guys are going to be fantastic, and you're going to do a great job, and there's going to be no problems whatsoever with your cellies or with anything else. Okay? While I'm on it, today is National Toast, Chili, and Tortilla Chip Day. This might be the best day of the year. For a fat kid like me, this is a great day. I love a good piece of toast. I love chili is so good. Some cheese, some jalapenos, some sour cream, some crumbled up saltine crackers. Oh my gosh, I can taste. I just gained 5 pounds thinking about it. And on this day in history, which next year we'll talk about the Ukraine. What a hot mess that is. That's some crazy stuff, man. There's some stuff going down over there in the Ukraine. This day in history, the Alamo, there in Texas, they first sent out a call for help. February 24th, 1836. The Alamo was being attacked. The Zimmerman telegram, which gets the U.S. into World War I, was first presented to a U.S. ambassador. What else we got here? That's it. The Zimmerman telegram, which is a big one. You guys will study that in U.S. and world history. It's a really big one. And then the Alamo. So 2 pretty prominent moments. I've spoken enough. You guys have a great Thursday. You have a great Friday. You have a great Saturday. You have a great Sunday. And I'll see you next week. How do I turn this thing off? I don't know how to do that. All right. Well, there it is. All right. See you.